In this video, I will be giving you guys the secret and the method that entrepreneurs must use to scale their operations to 10,000 in revenue. And you want to watch this video until the end so you don't miss out on the secret to sales, the product to sell, and the method. So in other words, I will be giving away the sauce for free as per usual. So if you found value in this video, make sure you leave a like, you drop a comment, you subscribe, all that juicy stuff. So now let's get into the video. So without further ado, here is the secret. You have to make your client realize that they want your product. And what better way to tell you guys how to do this than to show you footage of me doing this myself. But before I show you guys, let me just give you guys the context so you guys can know what's going on. So I'm in the barbershop and I have an audience of 3 people that are listening to what I have to say. So try to see if you can catch what the first person says.
Like what's your go-to? Got a go-to? Yeah. Go home and go to it.
Well, he didn't want it. Well, that's because even though we have the secret and we have the product, we still have to apply the method to make the secret work. If you run a product-based business, you will come to realize that you have to make people want what you have for sale. I like to do this using a funneling process that I like to call the W.U.L Method. This stands for warming up the lead. Let me explain. Someone that I call a ghost lead comes across your business. A ghost lead is somebody who never heard of you, doesn't know what you have to offer. As soon as they see you and see what you have, they become a cold lead. And from this point in time, my main goal is to warm up this lead so much that they realize that they want what I have and they don't want to miss out. Now, try to see if you can catch how I warm up these 2 leads.
How about you, boys? You can go to cologne. Yeah, like the oil more. How about you, boys? You doing 2 samples of cologne? I'm good, my brother. What's your go-to? Savage. I mean, that was my first cologne. I feel like it kind of smells like Irish Spring, like you know the soap. That's why I like it made off that. It's like a sweet fragrance.
Yeah, this is his cologne. This is his go-to.
Nah, I'm not dissing his
That's his
go-to.
go-to.
That was the first cologne I wanted. That was the first cologne. I'm gonna do this first. That's the most wanted. Most wanted. I got a brand new box.
Okay, and that is how it is done. Once our lead asks us how much, we know that we have a hot lead on our hands. And now that our lead is hot, we know that we are ready for a conversion. So, in conclusion, the secret is we need to make our audience realize that they want our product. We do this by using the W.U.L Method. But dollars, how do you do that? Good question. We take a cold lead and we warm them up to the point that they are hot and ready to convert, by making them so interested in what we have that they realize that they want it and they don't want to miss out. So, what this means is, by applying the W.U.L method to your sales pitch, your operations will be able to reliably scale past 10,000 in revenue. And if you guys don't have your own product to sell, I literally gave away the products that I was using in my last video. So all you have to do, if you really wanted to, is just run off with the products that I gave away in my last video and apply the method, and you will be able to scale your operations reliably. So if you guys found value in this video, it would be so greatly appreciated if you showed love to this channel. You hit that subscribe button, you drop a like, and you drop a comment. And with that being said, that's the end of this video, so I will see you in the next one.